If you've got blank rows scattered through your Excel spreadsheet, there are 5 different ways to clean them up. I'll walk you through each method so you can pick what works best for your data. The first method is Go to Special. Select your data range, then on the Home tab in the Editing group, click Find and Select, then click Go to Special. In the dialog, click the Blanks option and click OK. Excel selects all the blank cells. Now in the Cells section at the top, click Delete and choose Delete Sheet Rows. Your empty rows disappear and the data shifts up. Keep in mind this method also removes rows that have just 1 or 2 blank cells, not only completely empty rows. If it deleted too much, press Ctrl-Z to undo and try the next method. If you only want to delete completely empty rows, use the Filter method. Select all your data columns by dragging across the column letters at the top. Go to the Data tab and click Filter. Filter arrows appear in each column header. Click the filter arrow in the first column, uncheck, select all, scroll to the bottom, and check only blanks. Click OK. Repeat this for each of your data columns. Now select all the visible blank rows by clicking the row numbers on the left, go to the Home tab, click the Delete drop-down, and choose Delete Sheet Rows. Back on the Data tab, click Filter again to remove the filter. Only completely empty rows are deleted. For large data sets where you want maximum precision, use the Helper column method. Add a new column at the end of your data. In the first row of that column, type equals counta open parentheses, highlight all the cells in that row, and close parentheses. Copy this formula down to all your rows. Any row with a 0 is completely empty. Select all your data including the Helper column. Go to Data, click Filter, then click the filter arrow in your Helper column. Uncheck, select all, and check only 0. Excel shows only the blank rows. Select them by clicking the row numbers. Right-click and choose Delete Row. Remove the filter by clicking the Filter button on the Data tab again, then delete the Helper column. If you don't mind rearranging your data, the simplest method is sorting. Click any cell in your data, go to the Data tab, and click Sort A to Z on any column. All blank rows move to the bottom. Select those blank rows by clicking the first blank row number, holding Shift and clicking the last one. Right-click on the selected row numbers and choose Delete. Your data is now sorted, and all blanks are removed. If you're deleting blank rows regularly from recurring data imports, Power Query saves time. Select your data, go to Data, and click From Table/Range. When the Power Query editor opens, click Remove Rows and choose Remove Blank Rows. Click Close and Load. Next time you refresh the query, it removes blanks automatically. Here are 3 quick tips. First, if you accidentally delete the wrong rows, press Ctrl-Z immediately to undo. Second, deleting rows can be risky. If you have data off screen, you might delete it without realizing. Always review your full data range before deleting. Third, for smaller data sets, Go to Special and Sorting are the fastest choices. For hundreds of rows, Power Query is your best bet.